Hey guys, so I actually wanted to give an update. I apologize, I'm actually getting kind of behind on my videos. The Durango actually does run now. I'm still working on, getting a few issues straightened out, but overall it does drive pretty well. So right now I want to tackle an issue that's been bothering me for a while, and that's just getting this thing cleaned out. Mostly this thing hasn't been touched for at least the past 2 years. I know it's not been cleaned for that long. I bought it at auction 2 years ago, and it's sat for most of that time. I don't know how long it's sat since. It could have been another 2 years or more, maybe. I don't know. But this thing's nasty, and as typically goes for cars, people don't clean them out. They don't really do a good job keeping them clean. I'm finding all kinds of curly fries and all stuff like that just under the seat. So at this point in time, I've gone in there, I've gone ahead and unbolted the seat, and I'm about to remove the seat and see what kind of treasures we have under it. So why don't we do that, and I'll show you what we find. Alright, well, I'm going to show you guys what I see in here. It's pretty nasty. Like I said, it hasn't been cleaned for at least 2 years. We've just got all kinds of stuff everywhere. Plenty of stains. Everything. I actually need to get a new seat bottom for this as well, and see if I can at least secure this. I still need to find a replacement. Problem is, most of these in the junkyard are actually broken, so that's a common problem. Okay, so I have this seat unbolted. I'm gonna pull it up. I haven't looked under it yet. I'm actually a little nervous, just because it's gonna be nasty, I'm sure. So I'll try and do this one-handed. Oh god. Yeah. That by far is probably the nastiest car I've had to clean up. Hey, we got a little, looks like we got a little bouncy ball under there. Score. Sweet. Couple of French fries. Is that? I can't tell. It looks like an Arby's fry, maybe. Yeah. Yummy. Stuff doesn't go bad, does it? Let's see, what else we got under here? Plenty of mud. I bought this from a Copart. The day I went to get it, it was raining, and their lot was definitely mud that day. So I definitely made that even worse. Let's see. This door panel's just nasty. All the, you can see it. Probably not all that well. Oh yeah, there you go. Lotion, maybe. I don't know. That's got to come off. The steering wheel actually gets pretty greasy, or sticky. This thing is sticky. I tried to drive it without gloves the other day, and I really did not like how that felt. So I'm going to tackle that before I try and drive this anymore. Let's see. I actually did clean that door panel, and a little bit over there. I've also cleaned down here, the cup holders and all that fun stuff, because that looked just as bad as the driver's footwell here. Headliner, I'll have to work on it here and there. A little bit dirty, but nothing I can't handle. We are a little bit of cleaning over here. I just want to get this going. It feels disgusting to drive, and that's one of the worst things that I can deal with, in my opinion. A couple things I got to deal with on the engine as well. I got to replace a NOx sensor on the other side. But I'll give you a little glimpse. Hey, look, it's it is installed. I still have to install the wheel liners too, but I don't want to do that just yet. And another fun project that I don't necessarily want to do. This little corner here. These commonly get rusty, which this was. Paint was flaking up. First time I went to the car wash with this thing, it just ripped it straight off, so that was kind of sad. There's the next one I need to do some paint work on. It's a diesel Volkswagen. If anybody wants it, I'm putting it up for sale soon. I don't expect to get a whole lot for it, but it needs to go. And there's my little yellow Abarth Fiat. And, hey, there's my S-Class out there, too. Let's look at the back of this thing. In fact, let's check this out, too. Also, yeah, actually you can see I need to do something with these windows someday too. Nice hard water spots. Nice pile of junk boxes behind me. I don't have a dumpster, so I don't know what to do with it. I don't really want to go to the dump because it's like 15 bucks. But using my little gimbal here, kind of neat. Learning how to use it, never used one before. Let's see. Oh, I've also got tires on the way. Well, these are actually in good shape. They are way too small. So, these should be here in the next couple of days. So that's why I want to get some of this other, like I got to replace a knock sensor. I'm also getting a fuel smell around the fuel tank. It's not dripping or anything, but I got to figure out where that's coming from. Anyway, just wanted to give you guys a quick update on this. I'm going to do my best to get these other videos up to date, and I figure this would be a good time to just let you know what's going on, so we can actually get stuff back up to date. So, if you guys want to see more of what's going on here, I'm actually going to start doing some reviews, updates, overviews on some of my other cars here. And what you saw in the driveway, that's just a couple of them. I think I've got about 9 right now. So, want to start going through those and show you guys what's going on, what I need to do to them. So, if you want to stick around, let me know by pressing that like button, and go ahead and subscribe. So thank you guys.